We've stopped at De Grey rest area, another outstanding rest area from WA. Heaps of space. There's a few vans over there. There's probably room for 100 plus vans here, and you can get away your own. See, maybe you can see over there. Yeah, tons of space. The river, it looks spectacular. It's a wide river filled with gums and sand and little water holes at the moment. You can't get to it from this side, but you can go I can just catch glimpses of it. And then you can go up to the bridge. Apparently the sunset is outstanding. So we've just spent the night at the Piwa rest stop. We're still on the Naga Luma land. It's a great little spot. We've got the gums, that's our camp. There are bins, there are, can't quite see, loos over there. It's a big gravel space. There were probably 8 or 10 vans here last night. There's little camp spots, tables and chairs. Unfortunately you can't quite get down to the river. It's fenced off, and it might be the same burr problem that there was at De Grey, but it's quite pretty. The road's just there. Didn't really get much road noise. Yeah, so thank you once again. WA main roads. This is the road in to Settlers Beach where we're staying. So I'm just opening the gate to our little abode. Here we are, right on the beach. $15 a night. Patricia coming in. $15 a night, booked online with the local council. Only 4 spots. And here we are. Look at this Settlers Beach. That is our backyard. So looking down, that's our camp down there, that possibly can't see on the GoPro, and this is the view from Reader's Lookout. There's a lighthouse over there, and just down, it's either down here or down here, there is a rock with an arrow and dig down written on it, because the ships used to come in here either on their way to Port Lambert over there, or just coming here to drop mail, because there was an Afghan transit camp just over here.
Okay, we'll just come to have a look at Point Sampson, historic jetty. So this is Point Sampson jetty. The original jetty was built in 1903-04, taking over from the tidal port of Cossack.
So we're now in Dampier and about to go on the trail of Red Dog. He was a Kelpie cross. He lived his life hitchhiking rides and travelling throughout WA's north. He was born in Paraburdoo in 1971 and he died in the Pilbara in November 79 in Dampier, we think. He had a variety of names to those who knew him: Bluey, Tally-Ho, Pilbara Wanderer and Dog of the Northwest. Tally-Ho was thought to be his first name, given to him by his first owner, the one who brought him to Dampier. The nickname Red Dog has been attributed to the red dirt of the Pilbara region. His second owner was a bus driver. His work allowed Red Dog to travel via bus around Dampier, Karratha and all the surrounding districts, and he became very well known by all who lived there. After his second owner died, Red Dog spent a lot of time travelling on his own, and he was taken in by many members of the community. Some took him on trips as far as Perth, Broome, Roban, Point Sampson and Port Hedland. Although he had many friends, it's thought that his death in 79 was caused by poisoning. He's buried in an unmarked grave somewhere between Roban and Cossack, but his spiritual wanderings are marked by plaque placed by his vet, Rick Petney. So we've been on a mission to locate the actual burial spot, Red Dog, of Dampier fame. So we're just approaching. Got the GPS coordinates via from Wikicamps, and we found the exact location. So just up here you can see the plaque. There it is, the actual plaque. Red Dog, resident of Paraburdoo, died Roban, 27/11/1979, roamed the Pilbara and beyond, buried in this vicinity, and this was erected on behalf of his many friends by a mate who took him for his last ride. There we are, and that was actually the Red Dog vet, Rick Petney. So we're on Cheetah Plains Station, and we're going on a little gorge adventure drive. And there's three of us today.
This is Hillary.
Hello.
We met Hillary a couple of nights ago.
Yes.
At a free camp.
Hamzindai.
This is on the way to Muscle Pool. Very pretty.
This is pretty.
Yeah, this
To the hills, the gorges, which are rugged.
yeah, there's a different.
People camped. Yeah.
Probably should have put her in
That was a bit naughty. I should have put it in low range.
So that was our first water crossing on our way to Panisa Soak.
Oh, no, that's wash the sides.
Yes.
There we go. Easy peasy.
Was that four-wheel drive or low range?
Low range.
Oh, you're in constant four-wheel drive normally, are you?
Yeah. And then it's too late if you're in the middle and it's got a soft bottom. It's too late to change.
That's pretty up there. Right, this is the soak. I think it's just a watering hole for the cattle myself. But it is beautiful here. So, Moira's going to come through the water while I film. So Hilary, what do you think about four-wheel driving?
I was just watching a printed the video one I did. It's fabulous. I want one. I
Okay.
want one now.
Right, just making our way to Muscle Pool. Down here somewhere. Right, we're headed to Muscle Pool. Maura's in the lead, as usual. I think this must be Beasley River. This must be Beasley River.
Yeah.
This is Muscle Pool on the Beasley River inside a gorge. That is not a bird's nest up there. That is sticks and
Bad rubbish.
rubbish deposited when they have the wet season, when the water comes through and it floods.
So our intrepid explorers continued deep into the gorge of Beasley River to find the Piccaninny Falls.
Pristine falls.
Pristine.
Not
What are they?
Piccaninny.
They're not Piccaninny.
No!
Some falls.
Pristine falls.
Pristine Falls. For the sake of accuracy, the Parentee Falls.
Okay.
Boldly trekking through the undergrowth of the Sheila Plains station. So we're here at Quartz Hill. It's a free camp. Just 70k out of Onslow. Not many people here. Sunrise is over there, which is quite beautiful. And it sets over there. Again, quite stunning. So heaps of space here. Absolutely gorgeous and quiet. There are little fire pits. We went into Onslow a couple of times, went to Old Onslow, had a look around the old town, looked at Onslow, the coast. That's a nice little town. You can get water there, there's a dump point. Yeah, so it's all really good. So we've actually been here, tonight will be our 5th night, which you can't complain because it's just gorgeous. And then also above that hill you can get a little bit of 3G reception, and there are 3 caves with bones in there. I'm presuming it's not Ivan Milat on holiday or anything like that. Probably a dingo. But yeah, very nice indeed. Quartz Hill, highly recommended. So, we're here at Robe River. It is Connemara Mundathara country. It's a free camp. So we're just getting dinner. That is on because we're going to make scones later with the coals. We've got dinner on here. So this is Jackie. We've been travelling with Jackie for a few days. And this is the lovely Heidi. Heidi! You're on camera. Yes! Oh, looky, looky!
Heidi.
So what do you think of Robe River, Jackie?
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah. So what were you doing earlier today?
Swimming. Swimming in the river.
Yep.
Very shallow, beautiful and shallow. You can walk right away to the other side.
Yeah.
Yes, very nice.
Absolutely beauty. It's Jackie that's going to make the scones tonight. Looking forward. So, Patricia's got a steak, the tiny taties, and I've got halloumi, mushroom and mixed vegetables with a bit of Tabasco and a bit of Jamaican jerk. You comfy there, P? Awesome. And what did you do today?
Nothing.
Nothing? I heard you had a spa.
I had a foot spa. My feet are clean.
Beautiful.
Finally.
Look at that. They were not that colour this morning.
They were red.
Yeah.
And my
Filthy dirty.
toenails were filthy. I cut
Yeah.
my toenails. I
Filthy.
soaked them in a mint spa,
Uh-huh.
and then I rubbed them with some cream.
Fantastic.
And they look
They
beautiful
look
now.
just, I've never seen feet like that.
Beautiful feet they are.
Lovely. Beautiful. So, this is Heidi, the most beautiful dog in the world. A Sterling guard dog. Looks after Jackie in a nice little van. So we'll go down to, we're leaving this morning, so I'll go down to the river. This is the Robe River. We've been here for 5 nights now, and it's just been great. So this is the Robe River, and I've been getting water from here every day. We've been boiling it to have a shower, buckets of water. We've actually cleaned the van and the car. It's a mammoth effort, took quite a few trips. And here it is, the Robe River. It's beautiful. As you can see, you can free camp right on the river. Yeah, absolutely stunning spot. So this is the road into Panawanaka, and all the way along there are these mazes. The sun's in the wrong place, but they're just absolutely beautiful Pilbara countryside. And then we've got the gorgeous Sturt's peas. Looking at you, sunshine. And then a whole bunch of other flowers. Just gorgeous. So this is Panawanaka. It's a Rio Tinto town built specifically for mining workers. There's a transit camp here. Stay for a maximum of 3 nights. There are only 4 sites and bookings are essential. But it looks quite nice. Hello.
Hello.
There's a church there. There's a supermarket, but apparently we haven't found it. There's a medical centre. Population somewhere between 825 and 1,000, depending on, I suppose, who's flown in and who hasn't. And of course the free open air cinema. So we're here at the Panawanaka movie theatre, and there aren't many. Oh, and here we have a customer. So madam, what are you waiting to see?
I don't know about the movie, but I'm just waiting for my popcorn.
I'll see what I can do. I'll see. Excuse me.